All right, guys, this is a single cap we just had done for a customer. It is the laser engraved broken heart. You can see there. Here's the back side. It is 10K gold. So you got your 10K stamp right there in the back. You can choose which tooth you want it to go on. Right on our website, blingcartel.com. This is a beautiful broken heart design. It's very popular. Real gold, guys. Handmade from an impression of the customer's teeth for a perfect fit. Check that out. Well, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.